Woman dies after prophet puts big speaker on top of her body to prove God's power, BMTV Africa. For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lusts shall they heap to themselves teachers, having itching ears. 2 Tim 4-3. Congregates of Mount Zion General Assembly went home with heads down on Sunday after a failed demonstration of power by the church pastor when a girl fainted after he put a very big and heavy speaker on top of her, promising her that she would not feel pain. The woman has now died from internal injuries caused to her lungs. Pastor Lethebo Rabalango had organized a night of worship at his church in Polokwane where he was teaching about demonstration of power, in which he emphasized that if Jesus walked on water, he too could do anything with faith. It is on this point that he invited a girl from the praise team and asked her to lie down. He then ordered ushers to carry a big speaker and put on her stomach, saying the weight would not harm her. As if it was not enough, he climbed on top of the speaker, adding pressure to suffocate the girl, who remained quiet for she had already passed out. After seating on top of the speaker, which was still on the girl's stomach, for close 5 minutes, he got up and ordered removal of the speaker, but the girl could not rise because she had fainted. It took some elders giving her first aid treatment that she came back but complained of a broken rib. She was then taken to hospital. However, the pastor blamed the girl and accused her of having little faith, for she could not withstand a very simple task. Pastor Lethebo can be accessed via his Facebook account. Subscribe, BMTV Africa.